How to make cute bell decorations for your wall. To begin with, you'll need to take glitter sheet like this. The color is of your choice. And then you will need to take ribbon, glue, as well as this Fevicol and pair of scissors, pencil, rubber. Let's begin. First, I'll fold the A4 glitter sheet into exact half and cut it into 2 halves like this. Once I have my 1 half ready, I will fold it again to form 2 other halves of that half cut sheet. So I will have basically 2/4 of the full sheet. So in this way, here are my 2/4. Now the bell size totally depends upon your choice. If you need a smaller one, you fold it on the smaller side. If not, then on the longer side. I need longer bells. So here I am going to draw the outline by folding it on the lengthier side. I will draw the outline on half a portion of the lengthier side, and once I give a cut on the fold, I'll have a full bell in this way. So let's begin cutting the outline that I just made. Once you're done cutting through the outline, you can make use of that same cutout that you have and cut out the shape on the other fold that we made in this way. So that will be your guide to cut the other bell as well. Our bell cutouts are finally ready. Open them up. Now it's time to work on the ribbon. For the ribbon, it's quite simple. Just tie a bow with a knot in this way, and you'll have to attach it on top of the bell. Now it's time to work on the circle that has to be attached below the bell. It gives a good finishing when you add that. So I'll be making use of yellow paper. You all can make use of any color of your choice. So see the circle, how much size you think would suit the bell that you have cut. Here I am cutting out a strip from that sheet. That's more than enough. Folding it, and then I will do the cutout of more than the semicircle of this round thing that I am holding. I will show you exactly how much is required once I have drawn the outline. See, this much is what is required to be cut out. Once your cutout is ready, it's time to start sticking all the portions of the bell. We'll begin by sticking this more than half of the semicircle that I mentioned to the bottom of the bell. So this is the way you will stick it. Once you are done sticking the bottom portion to the bell, you'll have to figure out how do you want the placement of the bell to be. I like this way, so I'll be sticking both the bells together sideways like this. Once you have stuck the bell in this way, it's time to attach the bow. For this you'll need glue from the glue gun, hot glue, and just add a drop and stick it on top of the bell in this way. So our wall decor is ready and it looks amazing. What do you all think? Do let me know in the comments section. See, this is how you will attach it. And here is the final look. How did you all like this? Do let me know. And for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, How